Good day everyone, I am Mugiahin Malako and today we're going to talk about the most important equipment of sport of Sepak Takraw, which is the court. Sepak Takraw is Sipa is a kick and Takraw is the ball of sport of Sepak Takraw. Sepak Takraw is originated in Southeast Asia, the same to volleyball. But in Sepak Takraw, we have only three players to play in the court. Each team have three players in the court. So first, how are we going to lay out the court of Sepak Takraw? First, we're going to measure the boundary lines. This is the boundary line, guys. The measure of boundary lines is 13.4 meters. The same in the left side, 13.4 meters. Next, we're going to measure the baseline. This is we call baseline, guys, or the end line. Baseline or the end line. The measure of baseline is 6.1 meters. Next, how we're going to find the measure of the center line? Okay, center line. How to make the center line? First, we're going to divide to 2 the measurement of boundary lines, which is 13.4 divided by 2 is 6. The 6 is equal to 6.7 meters. Here, start from here, the measure of this 6.7 meters. And the measure of the center line is 6.1. The same to the baseline. Here, start from here to here, 6.1 meters. Next, how we're going to measure the server circle. Guys, this is we call the server circle. Hindi ito magiging square circle dahil bilog nga. So, ang pag-guhit ng server circle, guys, ay palabas. At least 2 inches. The same sa pag-guhit ng boundary lines, 2 inches yung kahaba niya. Palabas. Ay, papasok yung dito sa boundary line at saka baseline ay papasok ang pagguhit nito at least 2 para hindi lumagpas or hindi mo lagpas or dito maas yung layout ng ating court. Next, paano ba natin nakuha ang una? Paano natin makuha ang service circle? Ito ang tinatawag na service circle, guys. So, first, we're going to divide to 2 the measurement of the measures of the baseline, which is 6.1 meters. It divide to 2 is equal to 3.05 meters. So, start from here. Here, the measure of 3.05 meters. Dito sa gitna, guys. Kalahati niya. Tapos, papunta dun sa server circle, ang measure niya dito, server circle to dito is 2.45 meters. So, ito yung tinatawag na divide. Ito yung tinatawag natin, guys, itong line na to, line. Ito ang measure niya ay 3.05 meters. Now, ito naman yung tinatawag na quarter circles. Ang measure naman ito ay 0.90 centimeters. Dito sa service circle ay 0.30 centimeters. The same sa kabila, yung service circle nito ay 0.30 centimeters. And sa quarter circle ay 0.90 centimeters. And that's all. Thank you. Salamat sa panonood.